Creating a GIF in Premiere is a simple process. Firstly, with a timeline created, select and add the footage that you want to turn into a GIF. It's often advised to make GIFs no longer than 6 seconds when they're to be used on the web. With your footage on the timeline, it's advisable to mark your endpoint 1 frame after the start to avoid rendering any blank screens. You can use the I key to set your endpoint. Now set your outpoint using the O key, and again it's advisable to set the outpoint 1 frame before the end. Next, go to File, Export Media, and in the Format option, select Animated Gif. Hit Export, and your GIF will be created, ready to use.